Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Always ready to dive in.
Awesome. So today we're tackling something that's been generating a ton of buzz, Microsoft Copilot. It's this AI tool that promises to supercharge our abilities in, well, pretty much every area you can think of,
It's definitely ambitious, right?
for sure. But is it all hype or is there real substance here? I mean, we're talking AI assistants that can handle our work, code like wizards, and even maybe even lead us to self-driving cars.
Yeah. The potential applications seem almost endless, honestly.
Exactly. So that's what we're going to unpack today. What are Copilot's key features? How does it actually work? What's the impact going to be, in our everyday lives?
That's like a plan.
All right. So first things first, what exactly can Copilot do for us?
Well, think about it this way. How many times have you found yourself stuck doing something tedious at work or even just at home?
Oh, all the time.
Right, like scheduling appointments, responding to emails, double-checking data. Copilot can take over those repetitive tasks, those real-time suckers.
So it's like having a personal assistant, but like a super smart one.
Pretty much. And on top of that, it can analyze data way better than we ever could.
Okay. So less gut feeling, more hard facts.
Exactly. There was this one study, I think it was a retail company, and they started using Copilot's recommendations for product placement and stuff, what to put where in the store.
Yeah, yeah.
And guess what? Their sales jumped up by 20%
Uh,
just by making those data-driven tweaks.
wow, that's impressive. So no more guessing games, just straight up insights, huh?
Exactly.
So I'm curious, how does it actually manage all of this? Like, what's going on behind the scenes?
Well, the magic ingredient is machine learning. Imagine teaching a dog a new trick, right?
Okay, I can see where you're going with this.
You reward the dog for getting it right, and over time, it learns. Machine learning is kind of like that. You feed the algorithm tons of data, it starts recognizing patterns, and then it can make predictions based on that.
So Copilot is like this massive data crunching machine that just keeps getting smarter.
Exactly. And one of the things that makes it so powerful is its natural language processing, or NLP.
I've heard that term before, but refresh my memory. What exactly is that?
Basically, it's what allows Copilot to understand and respond to human language. Remember those old chatbots that you could barely even ask a simple question?
Oh, yeah. Super frustrating.
Right. Copilot is on a whole other level. It can process complex questions, understand nuances, and provide actual helpful answers. It's almost like having a conversation with another person.
So Copilot's like a multitasker. It can understand me, analyze data, and even automate those boring tasks. Sounds pretty amazing. But how about some real-world examples? Where is it making a real difference?
Well, you probably encounter it more than you realize. Those personalized recommendations you get online, that's often Copilot at work. It analyzes your past purchases, what you've clicked on, and it can pinpoint things you're actually likely to buy.
No more random suggestions. That's awesome.
And it's not just online shopping, it's being used in healthcare too, helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. It can analyze medical images, patient history, all sorts of data to help identify potential issues.
Wow. So it could potentially save lives.
Exactly. And we're even seeing it in, well, things you might not expect, like smart homes. It can learn your preferences, your habits, and adjust things like your thermostat, lighting, even security systems, all to make your life easier and more efficient.
Okay, I got to admit, that's pretty impressive. But let's zoom out a little bit. If we look ahead, say 5 to 10 years down the road, what kind of impact do you think Copilot could have on the way we live and work?
Honestly, the possibilities are mind-blowing. If we
Hmm.
look at how quickly technology has been advancing, you can bet that Copilot's going to get even more sophisticated. We could be talking about AI assistants that can not only manage our schedules, but actually anticipate our needs.
Okay, that would be pretty cool. Like, it knows what I need before I even do.
Exactly. It could analyze your data, your patterns, and offer solutions before problems even pop up. And it's not just personal use. We're talking widespread adoption across all sorts of industries: manufacturing, finance, education, entertainment, you name it.
So basically, it's going to revolutionize the way we do, well, everything.
Pretty much. And the coolest part is Copilot is always learning. Every interaction, every piece of data, it makes it smarter and more capable.
So it's not even reached its full potential yet.
Nope, not even close.
That's pretty wild to think about. So to sum up what we've covered today, we've learned how Copilot can take over those annoying tasks, give us those data-driven insights, and even personalize our experiences. We've peeked behind the curtain at the amazing tech behind it all, and we've even gotten a glimpse of its crazy future potential. Now, here's something for you to chew on. As Copilot keeps learning and growing, How do you think it's going to change your life in the years to come? What are you most excited about? This deep dive was just a taste, but I think it's safe to say the future with Copilot is going to be pretty incredible.